Hey, what? Ray Mac. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube fam, thank you for checking out Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Today we're making shrimp with spicy garlic sauce. These are our ingredients. We have some extra large shrimp. They have been cleaned and deveined with the shells left on. And I have some parsley, some Spain spices, garlic and herb seasoning. Then I have some Spain spices all-in-one seasoning. You could use all-purpose seasoning as well. Then I have some olive oil along with some black pepper. And the thing that we're going to do first of all is throw in some of this here olive oil on our large shrimps, and we're going to add the rest of our seasonings to the shrimp as well. Now we're going to make up our garlic spicy sauce. I got some hot sauce with some minced garlic, some ketchup, some dark soy sauce, some hot sriracha sauce, and I have some sweet chili sauce. So what we're going to do is basically add all of our ingredients to the bowl and mix it well. You can use as much as you like or as less as you like. We have our stove set on high heat. We're going to take some olive oil and put it into our skillet, and then we're going to go ahead and cook these shrimps 2 minutes per side. We're going to cook these shrimps 2 minutes per side. Please avoid cleaning out your skillet. Go ahead and take your spicy sauce and put it inside your skillet. You just want to warm this sauce up. So you do not want to boil this sauce or anything. You just want to warm this sauce up. After you've done that, I want you to go ahead and add your shrimp to the sauce and even coat your shrimp with the sauce. Once all of your shrimps are coated, remove your pan and your shrimps from the heat. I guarantee you would definitely try to eat this whole pan all by yourself. This is a good recipe, and I do hope you guys give this recipe a try. Trust and believe me, you can eat this with rice, or you could eat it with Chinese noodles, or you could just eat it all by itself. Try it and you will love it. want to thank you so much for watching Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you want to become a Ray Mack's family member, all you have to do is click on my photo, hit that subscribe button, and please hit that notification bell as well. I always say this at the end of all videos: love and not hate. Peace.